One Page CRM tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use One Page CRM. By the way, what is One Page CRM? One Page CRM is a simple yet powerful sales CRM designed to help businesses focus on action-based selling rather than just contact management. With One Page CRM, you can organize and manage leads and contacts, track sales tasks with the next action feature, automate follow-ups and reminders, integrate with email, apps, and accounting tools, and generate reports and track sales performance. To get started is completely free as they offer a free trial period. To do this, you're going to go onto onepagecrm.com. Then you're going to tap on try free, and from there you can sign. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can go over to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile pic or profile icon better yet. Then from there, you could tap on users and plans and billing. After you have done that, you can tap on add user. And from here, you can fill in the different users that you would like to add. After you have added users, you can tap on contacts from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. After you have done that, you'll tap on add contact, or if you would like to upload a contact, you can do that. So you can select import from Google Contacts or import from file. But if you would like to manually upload a contact, you'll tap on add contact, and from there you can fill in the contact name and information. Once you have filled in their name and information, you will tap on save. After you have tapped on save, from here you're going to see the next action sales feature. And now I'll be showing you how to use the next action sales feature on One Page CRM. The first thing you want to do, once here, you can click right where you see next action. Then from there you can choose whether you would like to add a note, call, meeting, or deal. So you can select whichever one of these actions right here. So let's say, for example, we were to select deal. After you have selected deal, from there you can put in the deal name. So you could put in the deal name right there. Then you could put in the amount. So let's say $100. And you can scroll down and you could insert different informations. You can also see the timeline right there. So we'll tap on save. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, how to track sales deals in One Page CRM. Now to create a new deal, a new sales deal on One Page CRM, you're going to tap on pipeline from the top navigation bar. Then from there, you can tap on add deal. After you have tapped on add deal, you can fill in the deal name. You can also search for the contacts. So again, I'm just going to type in test for this example. Then you can search for the contacts by typing in the contact name. Then selecting the contact, and again you can fill in the amount right there as you can see right here, and you can save it. Also, if you would like to send emails directly from One Page CRM, you can also do that. To send an email, all you will need to do is select the contact's name. So we will go back into contacts. All you'll need to do now is tap right beside the contact email address. You'll tap on the drop down arrow, and you're going to tap on send email. After you have tapped on send email, all you'll need to do is connect your email address. Then from there, you'll be able to send emails directly from One Page CRM. Now, the other feature that I can also show you with One Page CRM is using their sales automation and follow-ups feature. To do this, all you will need to do now, you're going to tap on more. After you have tapped on more, you're going to tap on autoflow. Once you have selected autoflow, you will be redirected to this section. And from here, you can tap on new autoflow. After selecting new autoflow, you can select the action that you would like to trigger a reaction. So you can tap on select trigger. Then you can see the different options right here. So you can say a new deal created. Then you can choose what you would like to happen after the new deal has been created. So you can see the different options right here. Then you can give the autoflow a name, and you'll tap on save. Let's create an email template. You can tap right there, and we could use a sample template, then tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to create an autoflow, as you can see right there. So you'll be able to set up reminders and so on. Now, if you would like to integrate other platforms with Onepagecrm, you can also do that. You'll go over to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then you're going to tap on Apps and Integrations. After you have tapped on Apps and Integrations, you can see the different apps that you can quickly integrate onto Onepagecrm, as you can see right here. And also, if you would like to use Onepagecrm on mobile, you can do that. You can go to your app store, and from there you'll be able to download the Onepagecrm mobile app. Also, by clicking on more, you'll get access to different features. So for example, you can select dashboard, and from there you'll be able to view your sales analytics, as you can see right here. And if we were to tap on more once more, from there you can view custom reports. You can also tap on documents, and you can add new documents. So you'll be able to add PDFs by tapping on add document. From here you can quickly upload a document, as you can see right there. And that's basically it. To view your pipeline, you could tap on pipeline from the top navigation bar, as I had shown you earlier. And if you were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on settings, from here you can edit the different stages. So you could edit the stage name, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Onepagecrm as a beginner. Thanks for watching.